How to select a long-lasting solar system. Are you looking for a long-lasting solar system? Here's the answer. In this video, I'd like to briefly explain how to select a long-lasting solar system. Let's start by considering why now is a golden time to go solar. First, you'll see an immediate decrease in your electricity bills. Second, you can achieve energy independence. Third, solar panels on your rooftop can boost your property value, as potential buyers realize the value that solar panels provide. Fourth, it's a shining investment. With interest rates at historic lows, putting panels on your rooftop, where they harvest energy every day, is a far better investment than stuffing cash in some dusty bank vault. Now, let's talk about warranties. A solar warranty is comprised of two separate parts: the product and the performance warranty. The solar panel product warranty covers the panel against any defects. In general, most manufacturers provide a 10 to 12-year product warranty. The performance warranty ensures that your panels continue to produce a specified amount of electricity every year. It's normal that panels lose a bit of their capacity every year. But in the event that the capacity loss exceeds a certain level, the performance warranty has got you covered. Let's discuss panel quality. High-quality solar panels are designed to last a long time, often more than 25 years. But beware of inexpensive panels from unreliable companies. Did you know that no fewer than 100 solar companies have gone out of business just in recent years? And I'm sure you can imagine exactly how much a warranty from a bankrupt company is worth. Exactly. Zilch. So make sure you select high-quality panels from a reliable company that will still exist in 25 years. Now let's take a look at why LG is just the type of partner you want on your 25-year solar journey. First, trusted brand. LG Electronics is a global giant with over 60 years' experience and an incredibly diverse product line. Second, warranty. LG provides both product and performance warranty valid for a full 25 years. And our performance warranty is one of the strongest in the marketplace, guaranteeing that your panels still produce over 90% of their initial output in year 25. Third, high efficiency. LG's high-efficiency panels mean more electricity every day. Over time, the savings really add up. For example, after 25 years, LG's Neon 2 panels will have produced 36% more electricity than conventional panels. Durable and aesthetically appealing rooftops. LG provides weatherproof panel for peace of mind. Also, LG produces elegant and aesthetically satisfying design for customer satisfaction. We offer an extensive lineup of different panels to suit different needs. Whether you want to start a solar farm or just get some panels for your rooftop, we have the panel for your purpose. If you want to learn more, just visit the LG Solar website. You can also talk to our friendly solar installers to learn more and get a quote. There's never been a better time to go solar. We're ready to help you get started now.